Hello students, welcome to our channel. In today's class, we'll discuss about what do you mean by central tendency. So, central tendency is a single value within the range of the data that is used to represent all the values in a series. Such an average is somewhere with the range of data. It is sometimes difficult to manage. Okay, so it have taken a way to find out the value. So to measure the average range or of a series of a single value, an average in a single value which within the range of data, it is used to represent all the values in a series. Okay, it is known as such an average is somewhere within a range of data is known as a central tendency. So let's see about its objectives and function. It represents complex and comprehensive and unorganized data into simple and condensed form. For example, if we can say it is very difficult to remember wages, income of different workers in a factory, but their wages, income can be remembered very easily when the average are taken out. Next, it facilitates comparison. For example, daily wages obtained by factory A can be compared with the daily wages of the workers obtained in factory B. Basis of economic analysis. Average are of greater significance in economic analysis. For example, if one knows that average productivity of labor in agriculture and industry, one can easily analyze the factor or the sectors of an economy which is backward. Next come about helpful in policy formulation. How? Average are very useful in policy formulation. For example, for removal of poverty from India, our country should take into account per capita income, average productivity of labor, etc. Okay, so these were about functions or objects of central tendency. In analysis, we can say it is very simple to calculate and easy to understand, and it is very rigidly defined because there are some formulas. It is based on all the observation. Okay, no undue effects of extreme value, least affected by fluctuation of sample, expressed in absolute form. It is expressed in absolute form. Next, come to about kinds of statistical average. So there are the kinds. In mathematical average, we can see arithmetic mean or mean, geometric mean, harmonic mean. In positional average, we can see median and mode. From here, we have to go through only about arithmetic mean or mean from mathematical average, and from positional average, median and mode. So students, if you like our channel, our classes, then please do subscribe, share and comment to our channel.